Super awesome news. Basically, I've been looking for quite some time. Some of you who are in some of the same Facebook pages as me might know this, but I've been looking for quite some time for shells, E30 shells, to build the new build, the wide body S52 build on. And I finally found something. I found an early model for $700 locally to me, with, you know, minimal damage to anything. Doesn't run, that sort of thing. It's pretty much exactly what I needed in black interior, black on black, so that's what I was looking for, and I grabbed it. The thing is, you know, I spent $700 on a car, so there is definitely some issues, but we'll go have a look in a second. And for those of you wondering why I would buy another car, I'll just keep it short and sweet. Though the car that I was building, the M20 turbo build on, has some chassis issues from a previous accident that I didn't really see when I was buying it, and it's really just not worth fixing something like this when I can buy a whole new shell for practically nothing. Good thing is it's all original, and it has 62,000 miles on the odometer, which is the lowest I've ever seen on one of these odometers. Very cool. I know it doesn't actually have 62,000 miles, but I thought that was freaking awesome. So, I mean, that's what's happening with me, guys. This build is gonna go berserk. It's gonna be probably the craziest thing that I've done. Well, without a doubt, the craziest thing that I've done. It's turbo S52 wide body. It's going to be absolutely stupid. I hope you guys enjoy it. But let's go have a quick look around the car, and then whenever I get a free time, a free day, I'll start tearing into it, start looking at everything. The one thing, it has some rust and it has some ants. So let's go look at it. We'll get Abby's approval and that kind of stuff. Not the worst, but definitely not the best. Got a little bit of rust down here, but it's nothing I can't handle. Couple dings. Again, nothing I can't fix. But this is where we have our real issue. I don't know if you can see those critters in there, but there is an ant infestation. Now I bought this, oh my god, it's so bad. Oh, it's so bad. Look at those. Those fucking bastards. Look at that.
It's something! I'm nervous.
Let's go look at it.
The last time we brought a car home.
Pull the cover off. Watch for spiders.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Things are happening. Also, I think your battery's about to die.
It's okay.
Wow. The little friend thing is broken off. Huh. Oh my lord, are those ants?
Yes.
Ew. Look.
More ants.
There's creatures moving. Oh my lord. Okay. Can I look at him?
In him? Yeah.
At him? At this whole thing? He's got some pollen. Wow. He's something.
It came with the ants. It was a great deal.
What a gift. Oh, he's cute. He's nice and boxy.
Excuse the dirt.
Should I open him?
Is he unlocked? Press a button.
We're good. Oh, Lord. I thought those were creatures. Those brown.
No, I got most of the ants out.
Oh, good job, Peanut. Well, it's got a long journey ahead of it, that's for sure.
I would offer you to sit inside, but...
Oh no, oh no.
But check this
I mean,
out.
the door looks good though. It's a little floppy, but
62,786 miles.
is that a lot?
No, that's nothing. That's less than your car has. Right?
Sure.
Nuts.
This door part looks nice.
Yeah, the interior is all original and everything.
Cool. Are you gonna put new seats in there? Gonna paint them?
Lots of big plans.
You're making them fat, you're making them wide, giving them a big butt. Ouch.
Always. Do you like him?
Yeah, is this what your big wheels are going on?
Yes.
Are they gonna fit?
God, these ants do not quit. I've killed all the ants like 4 different times. Fire, fire, fire. Okay guys, pretty awesome stuff. I'm very excited to start this new build. I think it will be absolutely ludicrous, absolutely insane. I'm gonna make it my goal to make this practical as possible, but it is going to be an extremely impractical vehicle. There's a lot of expectations for autocross and things like that that I've set up on myself that I'm gonna try to make. But you've seen where I started. This is the start. This rusty $700 turd with all these freaking dents in it. That's what you get for $700 nowadays in E30s. I mean, the market isn't what it used to be. There's an E30 tax, and man, it's getting harder to find anything stock. You know, just like the 240 guys, they're having a hard time finding anything factory because they're old. You know, people have either parted them out, bastardized them, like I am and will, but you know what I mean. Finding a factory 30-year-old BMW E30 for less than $1,000 is very difficult. So I'm very grateful for what I could find. I mean, there's always better deals out there, but this is the best I could find, and I looked for a long time. So there's a lot of hype going on, a lot of cool stuff that's going to be coming up. Those wheels are going to be insane on this car. This motor is going to be insane on this car. Stay tuned, this motor build is definitely coming up. And you know, if this shit is getting real expensive, so if you own a speed shop or anything and want to throw me some parts, hit me up. I'm all ears. Just kidding, but really. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. I hope you're excited for the whole new build. I think it'll be cool to kind of start fresh again. I think that there's a lot of things in the first Euro Garage build that I'd like to change and try to up the production value of some of these things. Just, you know, so I've, you know, ordered a new lens. I'm gonna try to get some studio lighting and build up a nice organized garage and do some more stuff. Let me know what you guys want to see on this car specifically. Right now, in the first real episode of the build, and then we can talk about it. I'll try to make some certain things happen. If you guys have some good ideas that I haven't had, I'd be more than down to make them happen. I almost forgot. The most important thing was that Abby approved it, because she didn't approve it. There's gonna be a trouble of brewing. Later, guys.